Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can create pin in Messenger to end to end your security, or you want your chats to be secure in Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and then log into your account and go to main menu, and there you will find settings. Click on that, and then you will see over here the fourth option called privacy and safety. Click on that, and then you will comes in this section, and you have to simply scroll up, and you will see over here security. In this you will see end-to-end chats. Click on that, encrypted chats. Click on that, and then you will see over here the second option, or the top one option is called messages storage. Click on that, and then you will come in this section, and you will see over here on the top chat history. You can see over here date created of this account, or like end-to-end encrypted messages that are saved in Messenger is created on 9th December 2025, and last backup is yesterday at 10:05. So you can see over here, and you can see over here the next to it, the three options are over here how you're signing your chat history. So you can see over here the three options over here. The second option is called reset pin. Click on that and type over here the pin that you want to add in this, and simply do is confirm again, and then simply do is wait for a while to complete this process, and your pin will be changed. So as you can see, your pin is changed. Whenever you logged into another device, this password or this pin needs to get back up your chat history from this backup to a new phone, or a new mobile in which you want to log in. So that's it. That's how you can change it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.